Children, today I am going to start the new chapter. The title of the chapter is Physical Fitness, Wellness and Lifestyle. And today's topic is meaning and importance of physical fitness, wellness and lifestyle. What is the topic of the day? The meaning of physical fitness, meaning of wellness and lifestyle and its importance. So, first of all, I am going to start with the meaning of physical fitness. Children, what is physical fitness? Physical fitness is the capacity of an individual to do any work effectively with joy and pleasure. After the work is over, he still has sufficient capacity to do more work without any tiredness. Children, what is physical fitness? Physical fitness is the capacity of an individual to do any work effectively with joy and pleasure. After work is finished, he or she has sufficient energy, capacity to do more work without any tiredness. Moreover, his recovery is faster and quicker. It should be also in the person who is physically fit. When you perform any activity and work is over, you have some reserve energy, sufficient energy to do more work in any emergency. It is physical fitness. According to Webster Cyclopedia, it is the ability of a person to do daily routine work without fatigue. Here, the meaning of fatigue is tiredness. Moreover, to participate in playful activity and still reserve enough capacity to meet any emergency. Means that person have more energy after finish any work is physical fitness. I am going to start the next topic of the day is the meaning of wellness. Children, what is wellness? Wellness is a balance. Wellness is balance of physical, mental, social, emotional, intellectual, and spiritual life of individual. It improves the optimum level of capabilities of individual. Children, what is wellness? Wellness is the balance of physical, mental, social, emotional, intellectual, and spiritual life of individual. It improves the optimum level of capability of an individual to do any work. In other words, wellness is the maximum capacity of individual to lead a well-balanced life. In other words, wellness is the maximum capacity of an individual to lead a well-balanced life. It should be related to good health. Good health. Active physical life. Physical life. Positive mental ability. Well adjusted well adjusted social life, psychologically, psycho, psychologically, emotionally, well balanced life, well balanced life is wellness. Wellness is the maximum capacity of individual to lead a well balanced life related to good health, active physical life, positive mental ability, well adjusted social life, psychologically and emotionally well balanced life. According to WHO, according to WHO, World Health Organization tells wellness is a state of complete wellness is a state of complete physical, mental, social well-being and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. Infirmity means weaknesses. Means you should be completely well related to physical, mental, social, spiritual life. Okay? The next meaning is lifestyle. Children, what is lifestyle? It is very tough to tell, but lifestyle is a way of life. It is a way of life or style of living that reflects the attitudes and value of a person or group. Children, pay attention. Lifestyle is a way of life or style of living that reflect the attitudes and value of a person or a group. Today, modernization has made human life easy. Due to the over facilities, our life have become very easy and we perform the maximum work through machinage. The sedentary lifestyle has reduced the human efficiency. The sedentary lifestyle what is the meaning of sedentary? Comfortable, luxurious life has reduced the human efficiency. But this sedentary lifestyle produce the many health problems. This sedentary lifestyle are very harmful and produce the different type of the health problems. Health problems like diabetes, 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 asthma, obesity, cancer, many more chronic problems. Chronic problems due to sedentary lifestyle. Children, you know, in the day we are suffering from the COVID-19. Those people have adopted or have got the God gifted sedentary lifestyle are not facing smoothly, but they are facing the big problem to the COVID-19. So my children, physical fitness and wellness are very important, but your health and wellness should not be adjusted through the lifestyle, because it produces the lazy lifestyle. Good health is the base of individual's personality. Good health is the base. Please remember it. Good health is the base of individual's personality. And everyone want to look slim, trim and well personality, but lifestyle affected our personality. Okay, I am going to start the importance of physical fitness, wellness and lifestyle. Children, what are the importance of the physical fitness, wellness and lifestyle in our daily life? There is a very close relationship. There is a very close relationship between health and lifestyle of individuals. Therefore, for the maintenance and promotion of health, healthy lifestyle is very important in our lives. because it improves and it changed our efficiency, quality, growth, development, healthy life, prevents health problems, and as well as it improves our physique outlooks. Also, the good lifestyle develop the social relations among children as well as in your family, your neighbor, in your society. Also, the physical fitness prevents the premature aging. One by one, I will discuss the importance of the physical fitness, wellness, and lifestyle. The first and important importance of the physical fitness is total efficiency is improved. Children, total efficiency is improved. A physically fit person can perform more work. With less fatigue. FATIGUE. Children, in physical education, mostly you will get a word the fatigue. Fatigue is the new word for you. But everywhere this word you will use for the tiredness. A physically person can perform more work with less fatigue, less tiredness in the comparison of the less physical fitness. Therefore, his total efficiency is improved. Therefore, his total efficiency is improved. His total efficiency means that persons have better physical fitness, improve the efficiency. So my dear children, physical fitness is very important to improve the efficiency. Okay, the next importance of the physical fitness, wellness, and lifestyle are better quality of work. This importance is very important. A physically fit person has better responses. A physically fit person has better responses. And more accurate. Such type of individual also wastage of less energy because those people are physically fit will perform the more work. The quality automatically changed. It improves the neuromuscular coordination. It improves neuromuscular coordination. neuromuscular, neuromuscular coordination. Children, in the next question I will teach you detail about the coordination or neuromuscular coordination with an example. So for the better quality of the work, physical fitness is very important. The next importance of the physical fitness and wellness is optimum growth and development. Physical fitness and wellness program. Physical fitness and wellness program provides good and healthy environment. Children, what is physical fitness program? How you will improve your physical fitness? First, regular physical activity is very important for your fitness with nutritious foods, and that day you will improve your physical fitness and also wellness. It helps in the optimum growth and development. So children, physical fitness, wellness and lifestyle programs are very important for your proper growth and development. The next importance is better utilization of time. Children, how you will utilize your time? In this day we are suffering from the COVID-19. In these days, very tough to utilize our time. So, physical fitness programs provide provides good atmosphere for growth and development. What is the physical fitness program? Physical activities. In the day, your parents will not allow to go out, but you can perform some physical activities in your room, study room, like regular jumping, bending, rolling, also the yogic activities. And when you will perform it, you will utilize your time as well as you will improve your health status. So it is very important for us. So you can tell the physical fitness programs are the best for the utilization of our time. The next importance is prevents health hazards and health problems. Children, programs of physical fitness and wellness improves our immune system. The programs of physical fitness and wellness improves our immune system. In this day, when you start to TV, you get the different type of the advertisement related to improve your immunity. What is the importance of the immunity? Those people have better immune system easily face the COVID effects. But in the day we are suffering from the coronavirus. But those people have the better immune system. They prevents the health hazards, means health problems related to the different diseases, and it prevents us from various diseases, illnesses, as well as we can prevent to COVID effect. So we can tell it is more useful for us. The physical fitness, wellness, and changed lifestyle. Your lifestyle should be positive. The next importance is development of the social quality. How you can develop your social quality through the physical activities, wellness, and the lifestyle programs. Through physical activity, many social qualities are developed when your parent will allow to go out, to play, to do physical activity. In the day we are facing the problems. We are not coming out from our home. When you come, we develop the cooperation. We develop cooperation. Adjustment, leadership, patience, patience, tolerance, etc. So we can tell these programs are more beneficial to adjust well in society, because we develop the cooperation, adjustment, patience, leadership, tolerance through these activities. It prevents premature aging. It prevents premature aging. In the day, premature aging is the big problem in society. What is the main reason? Our environment is polluted. We are not getting the safe environment, clean water. In the day, we are not getting the fresh drinking water. We are not getting the good quality of the milk. So for a healthy lifestyle, clean, healthy lifestyle, clean water, safe environment, pollution free surroundings where we resides. Are very important for us to live most. Premature aging is a world level problem due to bad surrounding, and polluted water, milk, etc. And that day we will get these daily requirements clean and safe. Really we can prevent the premature aging. The next importance is improves personality. Physical fitness and wellness activities helps us to maintain good shape, help us to maintain good shape, size and body structure. Thus it improves the personality of an individual. The next importance is improves the balance of life. Improves the balance of life. Positive lifestyle improves the balance between positive lifestyle improves the balance between work, study and personal life. So an individual be able to experience of all the sides of life. It may be toughness of the life or it may be fun part of the life. Mainly in our life, the two sides where we enjoy the life, where we suffer. But that day we will adopt a positive lifestyle. Really we will feel the glad. So physical fitness, wellness and healthy lifestyle are very important for everyone to maintain physically, mentally and socially well-being. That's all. Thank you.